Drying upstream, unraveling the meanings. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the phrase, drying upstream. It's a phrase you might have come across in books, conversations, or even in business contexts. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we explore the various nuances and uses of this intriguing expression. In its most literal sense, drying upstream refers to a stream of water gradually losing its flow until it eventually dries up. This can happen due to various reasons like drought, human intervention, or natural changes in the environment. This literal interpretation often sets the stage for more metaphorical uses, so understanding this fundamental meaning is key. Metaphorically, drying upstream is used to describe situations where resources, ideas, or opportunities start to diminish or come to an end. For example, in a business context, a company might be worried about its revenue drying upstream if fewer customers are coming in, or if a key product is no longer as popular as it used to be. In literature and art, drying upstream can symbolize the end of abundance or a period of decline. Writers and artists might use this imagery to convey messages about society, relationships, or personal emotions. The phrase evokes a powerful picture of something once vibrant and full of life now gradually fading away. When using drying upstream in conversation, it's important to consider the context. If you're talking about business, you might be discussing diminishing profits or market interest. In a more personal discussion, it could refer to the dwindling of passion or the gradual ending of a relationship. Being aware of the phrase's metaphorical versatility will help you use it appropriately and effectively. The phrase, drying upstream, carries with it rich imagery and deep meaning, whether used literally or metaphorically. From describing natural phenomena to symbolizing the ebb and flow of life's various facets, this expression holds a significant place in the English language. We hope this video has illuminated the depths of this phrase for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more insightful explorations into the English language.